Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I'm doing my first clean with me in the new house. I am so excited, and I am so excited for all the decorations we're going to be doing in the future. But right now I just thought I would start with my bedroom and a little bit of the kitchen. My house is kind of still overflowing with boxes I haven't unpacked, and moving actually takes a while. I don't have everything that I need, and it's just gonna kind of be a process, but I wanted to get a clean with me out. So we're starting in my bedroom. I got a new nightstand, if you guys can see, and also a new comforter. So I'm excited to kind of decorate this area more. I need to get a bench and some window treatments, but I love it so far.
I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter.
Guys, look how cute this little holder is for my Kindle. Oh my gosh, I just think it's adorable. It shows my book that I'm reading, and I love it. It's when you think bedroom, you think relaxation, and I just love that little thing that I have. Next, I'm going to vacuum my hardwood floors, and yes, my entire house is hardwood floors, so as you notice, I'm wearing slippers, because if I don't, I really cannot stand. My feet hurt, my knees hurt, my hips hurt. With hardwood floors, you need support on your feet, so I always am going to have a little slipper or shoe, or a house shoe on my feet. But with hardwood floors, I feel like I notice the dirt a lot more than I did with carpet, and so I'm actually vacuuming a lot more, maybe twice a day, whereas I would only do it once a day at the old house. So that's new. I just feel like it gets so dirty. And then of course we're going to spray the bed down with a little bit of room spray. Alright, now we're in the kitchen, and I'm just going to use some Peony dish soap by Mrs. Meyer's to clean my sink with. I love a good clean sink, and I've been really rigorous as my cleaning routine. I don't have a routine down yet because, again, everything's kind of still half-packed, and I'm half unpacked, and you know how that goes. So I don't have everything kind of set up the way I want to, so therefore my routine hasn't been established, but cleaning the sink has been a daily thing, and I love it. It's the one thing I can control. You know, my whole house can be covered in boxes, but my sink is clean.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss, still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile. It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough.
Alrighty, so I'm just going to wipe down the side of my counter, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe to see all my decorating and homemaking videos. A lot is coming, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been.